What happened?
It's like a nursing home full of geriatrics.
Ty fell!
Oh,
Oh no! Well, they're
he's
bozo.
dead.
I know a way we can go.
Oh
Oh,
no.
oh,
No, Lou! Don't go left, Lou! Oh!
No! Oh, he's dead. He's so dead.
Left! Wait, do we have to go this way?
yeah, try and climb up there.
Yeah, maybe I can use my spool up there.
Over there.
Oh frick! Oh frick! No! Bean!
Bean!
Yep.
You're gonna have to help Lou.
Grab me! You gotta grab us!
Come here, buddy.
No!
He wasn't far enough.
I don't have enough energy. I'm gonna die.
Kit, no! Kit, no! Kit! Oh my god! Yeah, that should be good.
Alright.
I just saw Celery
Kill
get
it.
brain damage, dude. How are you alive? Oh my god! I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it. No! No! I'm right there! No! Oh, I can't live!